This is one of the most common beginner JavaScript interview concepts, and it decides whether your variable works or breaks your code. It's called scopes in JavaScript. Consider this code example. What do you think happens here? So, the answer is X works but Y throws an error. And that's because of the magic of scopes in JavaScript. In JavaScript, scope decides where exactly your variables are accessible and visible. So to understand it, there are three basic types of scopes in JavaScript that you need to know in which the variables can be in. Number one, global scope. Variables declared outside any function or block are in a global scope. They are accessible from anywhere and everywhere in your JavaScript program, including inside or outside functions and blocks. Number two, function scopes. Variables declared within a particular function using var, let, or const are only accessible inside that function. They cannot be accessed from anywhere outside of that particular function. That's function scope. And number three, block scope, which is particularly an ES6 feature. This scope applies to variables declared with let and const inside of a code block. And by code block, I mean a block of code which is defined using curly braces. These variables are only accessible within that specific block. Well, now coming back to the answer of our code example, X is in the global scope, so it can be used anywhere and everywhere in the code, whereas Y is defined inside of a function, so it's in the function scope. That means Y only exists inside of the test function, and outside of it, it doesn't even exist at all. Hence, when it was used outside of the function, it threw us an error. So that's scoping in JavaScript, the rule which decides where your variables exist and where they don't. So next time when this comes up in an interview, I'm pretty sure you'll definitely be able to successfully answer it. Subscribe us. Bye.